Hi, RabbitLoader community. Today, we'll explore the steps to install RabbitLoader on your Laravel website. Let's get started. Head over to rabbitloader.com and hover over the Platforms menu to select Laravel. Now, scroll down and click on Laravel Installation Guide. This will take you to the detailed instructions. Please keep it for your future reference. After this, you have to open the terminal from your cPanel or hosting admin panel. Based on the hosting provider, you may have a different way to access the terminal. Next, copy the composer command and run it in the terminal. After successfully installing the package, let's activate it using the php artisan command. Copy the command provided, then paste it into the terminal and hit enter, and the package will be installed. Now, open the app/http/kernel.php file from your hosting. Right-click on it and choose the Edit option. Update the middleware by copying the exact line from the instruction page. Paste it and save the changes. Please note that you might have a few other middlewares in the kernel.php file. You need to append RabbitLoader 1 towards the top. Now it's time to get the RabbitLoader license key. Head back to the installation guide. Scroll down to the license key section, and then click on RabbitLoader console. Sign up easily using your existing Google or Facebook account. Once logged in, click on Add New Website. Put your website's full URL. Click on Next, and select Laravel as the platform. Continue by clicking Next, and you will get the license key. Copy it. Please note that once you close the pop-up, you will not be able to get the license key back. Now, head to your hosting file manager. Locate the .env file. This is the same file that contains all other environment variables. Click on Edit. Add the license key, as demonstrated in the video, and save the changes. Congratulations, RabbitLoader champions. With these steps completed, your website is now optimized. Give it 5 to 10 minutes for the magic to happen. Thanks for joining the optimization journey. Stay ahead, stay optimized, and enjoy exploring.